Oh, now you're gonna laugh now that you're on video, are you?
More? Want to help? Here, help.
She's gonna throw it back. Terrible twos at 1 year old. Ha Oh. Oh.
Shit.
Cheerios. Cheerio. Pip pip Cheerio and all that, bro. You don't look like a frustrated mom. Hey! Good grief! Sweet Cheerios, just no fruit, huh?
She usually likes their fruit. I don't know why she's being a little poophead today.